Hello my dear SLAT 2026 aspirants. As you are aware that the SLAT Symbiosis Law Aptitude Test is one of the popular tests for the 5-year law aspirants. Now let us have a look at the further details of the exam, as now it is out and is in public domain. So Symbiosis Law Aptitude Test, here is the official website, and if you click on the important dates, then here are the important dates, my dear students. So please kindly have a look at this. So the SLAT Symbiosis Law Aptitude Test 2026, the registration has already started and it will close on November 30, 2025, which is Sunday. The admit card for the two examinations, basically Symbiosis Law Aptitude Test, allows you to attempt the exams in two different shifts if you wish to, and the higher score is taken finally. So for the shift 1, which is to be conducted on 20 December, Saturday, the admit card will be released on December 11. And for the SLAT 2, which is conducted on December 28, 2025, which is a Sunday, the admit cards will be out on December 18. So be very clear. The admit cards for SLAT 1 will be out on December 11 and the SLAT 11 will be conducted on December 20. Then the admit card for SLAT 2 will be out on December 18 and the SLAT 2 will be conducted on December 28. You wish to apply for both of them, you may apply by paying the fees separately and the higher score will be considered. Now the result will be announced on January 15, 2026, which is Thursday. Further details like the test structure is over here, my dear students. So the test structure you can see over here, and clearly it shows to you that the Symbiosis Law Aptitude Test, logical reasoning 12 questions 12 marks, legal reasoning 12 questions 12 marks, analytical reasoning 12 questions 12 marks, reading comprehension 12 questions 12 marks, the general knowledge 12 questions 12 marks, overall 60 questions and 60 marks. So for any further detail, stay tuned and all the best.